Hey car enthusiasts, your trusted automotive engineer here, and today we're diving into a critical issue that's slowly destroying engines across the country, one short trip at a time. The hidden danger of everyday driving. Most drivers have no idea they're gradually wearing down their engine with what seems like innocent, quick errands. But here's the shocking truth. Those 5-minute drives are doing more damage than you could ever imagine. The science behind engine wear. Let's break down what really happens during those short trips. Your engine is a complex ecosystem of precision-engineered components, and every cold start is like sending soldiers into battle without proper armor. When you turn that key or push the start button, here's what's going on behind the scenes. Engine oil is still thick and sluggish. Critical metal components haven't reached optimal operating temperature. Microscopic wear begins immediately. The 4 horsemen of engine destruction, 1 condensation, the silent corrosion agent. Imagine your engine as a humid rainforest. Every short trip creates moisture that doesn't fully evaporate. This isn't just water. It's a chemical cocktail that creates engine-destroying sludge. One study from a major automotive research center found that repeated cold starts can increase internal engine wear by up to 300% compared to fully warmed engines. 2. Fuel economy. Nightmare cold starts force your engine to run rich, meaning more fuel, less air. It's like trying to run a marathon while wearing a winter coat. The result? Increased carbon buildup, reduced fuel efficiency, and accelerated component wear. 3. Lubrication lottery. Those first 30 seconds after starting, they're the most critical moment in your engine's daily life. Without proper oil circulation, metal components are essentially grinding against each other with minimal protection. It's like running a marathon on bare feet, painful and destructive. 4. Battery and charging system. Stress short trips don't just harm your engine, they're also murdering your battery. Your alternator needs sustained operation to fully recharge, and constant short trips prevent this crucial regeneration process. Practical solutions for real drivers. You're not helpless. Here are professional-grade strategies to protect your engine. 1. Strategic trip planning. Combine errands into longer routes. Aim for at least one 20-minute drive per week. Think of it as engine exercise. 2. Advanced maintenance techniques. Switch to full synthetic oil. Implement more frequent oil changes. Use high-quality oil filters designed for challenging driving conditions. 3. Tech smart monitoring. Consider an OBD2 scanner to track engine health, monitor oil temperature and driving patterns. Understand your specific vehicle's unique requirements. Your engine is a $5,000 to $10,000 investment. Those short trips might save you 10 minutes today, but they could cost you thousands tomorrow. Want to become an engine preservation master? Drop a comment below with your most challenging driving scenario. I'll personally respond with tailored advice to keep your ride running like a champion. Hit that subscribe button and let's turn you into the most informed driver on the road. Drive smart, drive protected.